power. We're moving to the roof.
There's no escape, Alexander. The contract...
I created this entire film using the most powerful Seedance 2.5, and I didn't have to jump between 5 different platforms. Everything was done in one powerful canvas with just an AI agent and a few prompts. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process of turning a simple idea into a complete film. From writing the script and generating key visual elements to creating the storyboard and the final video, everything inside a single canvas with Buzzy AI. Okay, today I will use Buzzy AI to create the film. This is the industry's first truly agentic infinite canvas engineered to revolutionize video generation across filmmaking and commercial advertising. With Buzzy's infinite canvas, creators get complete control over every scene, with access to more than 50 creative tools and over 70 image and video models. The entire workflow is powered and accelerated by an intelligent AI agent that works directly on the canvas. This seamless combination of an infinite canvas and a multi-model AI agent gives creators, marketers, filmmakers, and studios the ability to build cinematic stories with an entirely new level of control and creativity. Okay, this is the Buzzy homepage. You will find the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. This is the prompt box. You will find 2 options here: create a video and AI edit. The AI edit feature is to edit a video using AI, and create a video is to create a new video. Today, we will go with the create a video option. Here, in the create video mode, you will find 3 options: agent mode, video generation, and image generation. The agent mode is to create a full video from just an idea. We are going to use the agent mode. I am entering an idea for a revenge drama featuring a doctor. Just 1-line prompt. That's it. Now we have to select the skill. You will find a bunch of options for creative storytelling, marketing video, and brand assets. As I am making a film, I am selecting the AI film option. Once you are ready, hit the generate button. Now the agent will redirect you to the Buzzy canvas. This is where all the magic happens. You can see that the agent is working in the left sidebar. It is analyzing the idea and creating the plan. We have to set some settings now. First, the aspect ratio, then the direction or visual style, and in the end, the video duration. You can select from here and then hit the confirm button or enter the answer in the text box and hit the send button. Once it's done, the agent will create a text generation node in the canvas and start writing the storyline and the script. And here it is. The script is ready. After reviewing the script, I can say that it's really good. However, it will create a 75-second video. Now let's say I want to create a video longer than 2 minutes and add more characters and locations. So I am typing, make it minimum 120 seconds and add more characters and locations. Once I hit the send button, the agent will add another text node to the canvas and start writing the extended script. And here it is. The script is ready. And now, it's created more scenes and characters with an extended timeline. I love it. Now I will create the key elements: the characters, locations, and props. So, I am clicking on Generate Characters and Scenes. The agent will create an image node and assign an image generator to create all the character, location, and prop images. You can see that it creates a group and 7 image nodes to create all the key element images. And here it is. All the images are ready. It creates 3 characters, 1 prop, and 3 locations. Now preview all the images and customize them if needed. The characters are good. The props are perfect. However, I think the location needs some customization. Problem with the location. We can see the other side view of our location. It may cause inconsistency in our video. To solve this issue, I will use the multi-angle edit feature. With this feature, we can create an image from multiple angles. Once you are here, set the preset or customize the angle manually. Once done, hit the generate button. And here it is. The image is ready and you can see that the image angle has been changed perfectly. You can also relight the image. To relight the image or add another light source, select the lighting tool from here. Now you have to add the light source. You can change the light angle, light color, and primary light. Once you are done, hit the generate button. And here it is, the newly generated image is ready. And you can see the result. So now we can change the image angle or relight the video. But sometimes we need more angles of the location. We can create 9 grid angle images to keep better consistency. To do that, select the 9 grid option from here. Now you will find several options. You can create 9 grid multi-camera shot, 4-panel storyboard, character head turnaround, character multi-angle portraits, and more. I am selecting the multi-camera 9 grid shot. Once you hit the generate button, it will create a 9-grid multi-angle image like this. And look at this. Now, our location will be consistent in every scene. Now, in a similar way, I will create a 9-grid multi-angle image for all the locations. And here it is. We are done. Now, we have to assign this as our location. Just ask the agent to do it. And here it is. We are done. Okay, all our assets are set. Now I will create the storyboard. So I am clicking on Generate Storyboard. Now, the agent will create another group of image nodes and start creating a scene-by-scene storyboard. And here it is. All the storyboard images are ready. And you can see the result. It creates storyboards with scene descriptions. They look pretty amazing. However, I am not satisfied with the result. I want to create storyboards like this. So, I am coming to the chat box and asking to create storyboard images using GPT Image 2 and 9 Grid, and then hitting the send button. Now the agent will recreate the storyboard sequences for us. Okay, our storyboard is ready. Now it's time to generate the video clips. If you click on Generate Video, it will assign the Seedance 2.0 model to create the video. But I want to create the video using Seedance 2.5. So, I am asking the agent to create all the video clips according to the storyboard and make sure the correct reference is added to the video clip. Once I hit the Generate button, the agent will create video generation nodes and start generating the video. And here it is. All the video clips are ready and you can see the result. After reviewing all the video clips, I can say that these are really amazing. Okay, all of my video clips are ready. Now it's time to merge all the video clips into a single video clip. Here, you will find two options. Merge with BGM and without BGM. I will go with BGM. Now the agent will merge the video clips. And here it is, our final video clip is ready. Let's have a look at this.
Time for your appointment, Victor. One dose, that's all I owe you, Victor.
Thorne, you're late.
The traffic was uncooperative.
The bag, open it. No weapons, Thorns.
Keep it if it makes you feel safe.
Get in.
So I just created this entire short film, starting from nothing but an idea, and I had complete control over every scene in detail. The best part is that everything happens inside one infinite canvas, so you never lose your creative flow or focus. Plus, the Buzzy agent is always there to assist you whenever you need it. This is the best agentic canvas workspace I've ever used, bringing all the leading image and video AI models together in one unified workspace, powered by an intelligent AI assistant. Okay, now if you want to create your second episode or season, you have to keep the character, world, and style consistent. Don't worry, you can copy the whole canvas and customize it to create a new episode. Just click on the share button from here. Now you can share with link or post on Buzzy. Once you share the project, you will find the link. Open the link, and you will see the full workflow. Now to use the workflow again, click on Clone Project from here. And here it is, the whole workflow is inside a new canvas. Now you can customize every element. The script, add location, change the storyboard, and create new video. It's simple. Not only your own workflow, you can also copy featured workflow from Buzzy. The process is the same. Open a project, click on View Workflow, clone the project, and you are in. So, now we can create any kind of AI film or drama using Buzzy Canvas and Seedance 2.5 model. And not only AI film, but you can also create brand ads, animations, music videos, explainer videos, and more. So if you have an idea, just turn it into a film using Buzzy AI. I will put the link in the description.
If this video helped you out, a like really helps the channel, and subscribe if you want more AI creative tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.